Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, I welcome you. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious strawberry horchata. It's very refreshing for these hot summer months. So if you are interested in seeing how I make this, then please keep on watching. Also, I'll be leaving down in the description box all of the ingredients and the steps on how to make it in case you want to try it also. You want to start by soaking your rice overnight. The recipe does call for long grain rice, but the only thing I had available was the medium grain rice, but I'm sure it really doesn't make a difference. You're also going to need cinnamon sticks, and then here you're going to begin by boiling 3 cups of water. While the water boils, you're going to be placing 1.5 cups of rice into a heat-proof bowl. Take your cinnamon sticks and you're going to be putting 4 into the rice. At this point, your water should be ready, so go ahead and turn it off and then carefully pour that boiling water into that bowl with your rice and cinnamon sticks. Give that a good mix, and I personally like to dunk my cinnamon sticks into the rice, so just kind of hold it down with the spoon, and it might take a while, you might take a few tries, but you'll get there. And so then go ahead and cover this up, and you want to set it aside overnight or for at least 3 hours. The more you let your rice soak, the better, so maybe leave it around 3 to 8 hours. And of course, there's my little helper, Coco. So this is what the rice looks like after just over 8 hours, along with some other ingredients that we're going to be using. Over here I have 2 pounds of strawberries, and I have 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of the sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to be using about 1.5 pounds of strawberries for the strawberry puree, so give these a good wash. After your strawberries are washed, you're going to want to cut the stem off and then cut them in half. And as I'm doing this, the halved strawberries are going to be placed into the blender. Add 1.5 cups of water to the blender with the strawberries and blend until very, very smooth. Place the strawberry puree off to the side for a while, so I'm just placing it into this bowl. I gave the blender a quick rinse because then you're going to be pouring the rice and cinnamon into the blender. Go ahead and add just 1 more cup of water to that rice, and then along with that you're going to be adding some vanilla to it. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla is fine, but I don't like to measure my vanilla. I just kind of eyeball it, and I always add a little bit extra. But that's just me, so you're going to go ahead and blend all of this up together. Next, you want to take your jar or container, whatever you're going to be pouring the horchata out of. I have this really big one. I need to get myself a medium-sized one. But anyways, you're going to strain the rice mixture, and then after that you're going to get whole milk, and you want 2 cups of the whole milk. Add that in. Take your can of evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk. Add those to the container and give it a really good mix. And here, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to press record, but I already added the strawberry puree, so you can see it changed the color of our little mixture there. But after adding that strawberry puree, you want to give it another good mix again. And there you can see some of the little droplets of the puree that was spilled onto the container. What I'm doing next is whatever was left of the strawberries that I didn't use for the strawberry puree, I gave those a nice wash too, and then I cut the stem off, and these strawberries, I'm going to slit them very thinly vertically, and this is going to be used to garnish the drink. Add ice to your glass. Put in your strawberries and pour yourself that strawberry horchata. So refreshing. I guarantee you don't want to miss out on this very yummy drink for the summer. It looks like a little bit because of the big container that I really do have, but this recipe made enough for about 10 full glasses. So if you're having like a really small get together with about maybe 10 or so people, this would be good. Or if you want to make more, you can always just double or triple the ingredient list. So if you like horchata, if you like strawberries, you need to try this combination. Let me know what you think of this drink if you want to give it a try. And now, time for the taste test. Cheers, guys. Mmm. Tastes almost like a strawberry milkshake with a lot of cinnamon. Mmm. It's really good. It's refreshing. Hey, no te la acabes. Someone likes it. Yes, it's good.